just to give y'all an idea of what I'm dealing with here. We made it out. Okay, now I gotta turn around. Can I turn around in one go? Let's go. Alright, I hope I have oil, or enough oil, and I hope I don't have much traffic on the way. I'm gonna take it easy for the first few minutes. Oh. No, interior cleaner's frozen. That sucks. This is where I hit a deer. Those downshifts were Christy and this 4Runner is lost. Get in there, dude. Go for it. Do your thing. Wait, get out of that lane though. Kind of blocking the road there, dude. Big dip right there. Ooh. That was my front lip. Nice little pull. Not bad. Good thing that car waited. Let's not go in the pond. Let's go. Bro, what's with all this traffic? Probably like 10 minutes from Central Garden's traffic. Now we're back. No. Not ideal. I hope he's not going the same way I am. Oh, we're cooked.